Estate Planning 101. What is a living trust? It's a legal entity, and attorneys, don't roll your eyes at me, it's kind of a weird place, but it's a legal entity that can own property, and typically it's set up for estate planning purposes. The way it usually works is someone will set up a living trust. Another name for this is inter vivos, and it just means during life, as opposed to a springing trust or something that is set up at death. And they set it up, they're able to move their assets into it, something like houses, cars. You can put bank accounts in there. And essentially, they retitle all their assets into that trust. Why do you do it? Not really for tax purposes. That's the biggest reason why most people think that you would have a trust. But in this case, it's more of a probate issue. If you want to keep your assets out of probate, if you want to make sure that your assets aren't publicly disclosed, using a trust can be a way of simplifying the probate process, keeping assets out, and protecting your assets from prying eyes. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments.